guys, here we go. This is where he's gonna try to lose me. Big dip. Oh. You wanna follow me now? You want to get a dig in somewhere? That's right, man. Well, you guys see it, man. The 1LE versus the Scatty, 2019 versus 2020. But yeah, man, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this one. You guys see it, Shorty?
Yeah.
Good shit, brother.
Good runs, yeah.
Yes, sir. That's the Shelby too? You honking. You never know. We might get a run in on the way home too, so gotta stay ready so we ain't got to get ready. Baby, baby. Who's this coming up all crazy? Is that Shorty? Oh, that ain't Shorty, bro, that's a Mustang. Oh, Mustang want to get something in? This is why I keep my shit, bruh. That's the Shelby too? We gotta get another one in. I'm gonna let him honk it. You honk it. What did I tell you guys? That's why I keep my damn camera ready, bro. Oh shit, cool ass dude, bro. Got mad content in today. I'm gonna have to make a whole video out of that. The Yote. I thought it was a Shelby. I thought it said Shelby on the back, but nah, it just said Coyote. Big content. Yes, sir. What I tell you guys? Stay ready, man, so you ain't got to get ready. Sugar Free taught me that. That's mostly why I always ride around in track mode, bro, because there's always someone trying to test you. You know what I'm saying? When you have a car like this and you live in the area that I'm from, there's always somebody trying to test you, bro. We got a big car scene where I'm from, man, and word gets around about certain cars and stuff, and always somebody trying to test you. So that's the main reason too why I stay in track mode all the time. Not only because it's fun as hell, but also because always a motherfucker trying to test you, man. I can't get caught slipping, you know what I'm saying? Damn, I didn't have it in my night mode either. I have a different setting for nighttime, and I forgot to put it on that before I took off from the other spot, because we just got done running a Camaro 1LE. We ran them, we did a dig, we did rolls, we did a canyon run to see if the boat could keep up with the 1LE, the 2019. We did a review on it. He let me drive it. So, you know, go check out all that content. Dude, we've been at it since like 1 o'clock, and it's currently almost 8 o'clock. So big content getting done today, guys. You know what I'm saying? The grind don't stop, baby. We out here. I said, man, I ain't stopping anytime soon. I got a lot of goals. I got a lot of plans for this channel and for my life in general. And I ain't gonna stop till I get it, baby. You know what I'm saying? You can count on that. You could bet on that. I ain't gonna stop, guys. You know what I'm saying? The grind don't stop. Shout out to Young Nip, Mamba Mentality. Shout out to Kobe. You know? Shout out to Bob Marley. These are people that I look up to. The Rock, still living, you know? Dave Chappelle. These are the type of people that I look up to. All over Manny. Manny drives a car similar to that. It is a lot better than that one, but it looks the same. Watch. Here it is. You guys see Manny. Go follow Manny. You got YouTube, IG, all that. But yeah, man, we pulling up. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. Who is Louie13? This is a random one. So if you guys enjoy the content, we get shit like this in all the time. Just random stuff. This isn't the first time this has happened either, you know? Sometimes we just get random videos like this. So probably gonna be a short one, but fun nonetheless. Dope. So yeah, man, I appreciate you guys. If you guys enjoy, don't forget to like, subscribe. It helps tremendously. I appreciate it greatly. Everything I use and recommend in the description down below. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, go up in there and it's all there for you, man. All my social media platforms, everything. Like I said, man, who is Louie13 checking out. Appreciate you guys so much. Salute. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Fuck, big content in today, huh? Hey, what year was that car, dude? Do you know? Like 11 or 12? All right then, G. I'll catch you on the next one. We'll get the digging and all that. All right, I'll hit you up. Fucking big content, huh?
No, always trying to raise you.
Good thing I was fucking recording.
You were.
That's why
I was like, hopefully he was recording.
Bro, I always record because random shit like that happens. Look, I got another video. All right, G, I'll hit you up. All right, Manny. Yes, sir. You guys see it? YouTube Rookie of the Year, baby. That's why these are my signature shoes for the 392s.